In this video, I'll show you how you can get banners in League of Legends. Now there's two types of banners. There's the Clash banner, which is right here, and there's a trophy banner, which is right here. Now to get the Clash banners, it's pretty simple. It's basically just winning in Clash. Now Clash is the League of Legends tournaments that they host up here. They host them very often, so it shouldn't be that difficult. And you'll have your banners from in here. You can choose the ones you want, save them, and it will show up right here. Now the profile banners are a bit more difficult. You have the past rank banner, which is right here, your past rank, and you have some other banners. You can unlock most of these by purchasing in the store. There's a pass sometimes, and when you finish that, you'll get a lot of points to get some of these banners. And that's basically how you can do it. Now, I'm not going to talk about all the different ones at once. If there's a specific one you want, you can either comment down or you can just Google the name of it and it will show you how you access that one. But you have the past rank one, which is the simple one, and all of these are obtained through missions and the passes. So that's basically how that works. Now I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.